to my favorite part of the episode. Every month, I take great pleasure in reviewing the various posts that people have made, the DMs that we get with the installs. And Matthew, you said that this one was going to be special. It has diamond plate, I'm assuming, if it's special.
Well, it has regular diamond plate and blue diamond plate.
Is there such a thing?
Orange diamond plate. This is a Lifetime Achievement Award. I'm not sure if Impetus Plumbing and Heating is actually, have we given them any official Show Us Your Pipe victories?
I don't know if we have.
Over the last 3 seasons, but it doesn't matter because they are obviously like OG Lifetime
legendary in what they do,
folks.
Yeah.
And the two different, actually it's technically 3, it might even be 4 different types of installations that are going on here, are all at the Pro West in the nucleus, or in the
Pro West, our rep.
Yes, in the nebula.
Shout out to them.
Of the Pro West training, juggernaut, and they are training juggernauts.
They've qualified for our TNT.
They have. Fantastic. We need to talk about that a little bit more as well and get those signed up. So anyways, Terrence and the gang out there, and that's Jason and Daryl and a few more other legends of BC. In conjunction,
it's a conglomerate of legends.
Yes, and I'm including Mike Horn in the legends, and Jason, and
absolutely.
Ian, and all the
Dan Smith. We'll throw him a bone too.
Dan too. He's
I saw he was calling you a few minutes ago.
Yeah, 16 times, in a row, like a stalker.
I had my sound off. I'm sure it bounced back and forth.
Stalker ex-girlfriend Dan, I think we call him. Anyways,
back to Show Us Your Pipe.
Terrence and the gang out there doing the most professional work that exists that I know of. They stand second to none or shoulder to shoulder with anybody. Look how clean the press fittings are. All these pumps in their different zones over here. Everything is just super, super sharp. And this is exactly what you'd want on both a training room and a training van. You ideally want to show people how it's done at the highest level, and that's just what this is. I mean, I can't thank these guys enough, both Pro West and Impetus out there for just being all-stars,
it's a super install. And the painting of the diamond plate, we were joking, I did know the painting of the diamond plate blue and orange, which is Pro West's colors, that just elevated it another notch. It was pretty slick.
Yeah, they're beautiful. It's just an incredible job. Those guys do great work. I can't thank them enough for being on the team in general, all of these guys. Yeah. And that was just fantastic. Just I mean, what else can you say? Just look at this stuff. It's so sharp.
Everything about it is super well done.
Addy, Calefactio, Takeo on there. I'm assuming it's
Webstone, I think was in there.
Press fittings, Webstone.
And there were some Techmar, I believe, controls on there.
Yeah, and these are just guesses because it zooms fast. Another thing that both Pro West and Impetus excel at is slick media. So it's zooming past. It's very, very quick, but it is so sharp. Thank you for showing us your pipe.
And congratulations.